Reservations and arrival. Hello, do you have any vacancies for tonight? Let me check. Yes, we have a few rooms left. How much is a single room per night? It's $80, including all taxes. I have a reservation under the name Smith. Ah, yes. May I have your passport, please? Here you go. Does the room have a balcony? Yes, your room has a lovely balcony facing the garden. Check-in and room basics. Here is your key card. You are in room 302. Thank you. Which floor is that on? It's on the 3rd floor. The elevators are over there. Is there a password for the Wi-Fi? Yes, it's printed on the back of your key card holder. What time is breakfast served? Breakfast is from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the main hall. Can I leave my luggage here after I check out? Certainly. We have a secure luggage storage room. Perfect. I'll bring it down in the morning. Requests and services. Could I have some extra hangers for my clothes? Of course. I'll send someone up with them shortly. Can you book a taxi for me for tomorrow morning? Sure. What time would you like it to arrive? I'd like to order some room service, please. Certainly. What would you like to order? Just a club sandwich and a bottle of mineral water. I will have that sent up to your room immediately. Could you provide a map of the city? Yes, here is a map with the main tourist spots marked. Dealing with problems. Excuse me, the Wi-Fi signal in my room is very weak. I'm sorry, I'll restart the router for that floor right now. There are no towels in my bathroom. I apologize. Housekeeping will bring them to you immediately. The room next door is very noisy. We're sorry about that. I'll call them and ask them to be quiet. I've lost my key card. Can I get a new one? No problem. I just need to verify your ID first. The air conditioning doesn't seem to be cooling. I'll send a technician up to check it for you. Checkout and departure. I'd like to check out, please. Certainly. How was your stay with us? Everything was great, thank you. Here is your final bill. Would you like to pay by cash or card? I'll pay by credit card, please. Thank you. Have a safe journey home.